Join me as I dive into the science and try to figure out if the sun's actually white. The sun is something we all take for granted. It's always there, shining bright in the sky. We often talk about its importance for life on Earth. But have you ever stopped to think about its color? What color do you think the sun is? Many of us were taught in school that the sun is yellow. This idea seems to stick with us into adulthood, and it's not hard to see why. During sunrise and sunset, the sun often takes on a yellow, orange, or even reddish hue. But is this really its true color? The reason we think the sun is yellow is largely due to our atmosphere. The Earth's atmosphere scatters light in a way that makes the sun appear more yellow than it would otherwise. This scattering effect is known as Rayleigh scattering, and it's the same effect that causes the sky to appear blue. So, what do we see when we look at the sun? Our eyes perceive the light that reaches us after it has traveled through the atmosphere. This light has been scattered, making the sun appear yellow. But what if I told you that this isn't its true color? The science behind light and color is fascinating. When light travels through a vacuum, like in space, it doesn't scatter as much. This is why astronauts in space often report seeing the sun as white. The color of the sun is actually determined by its surface temperature, which is about 5,500 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, the sun emits light across a wide range of wavelengths, which we perceive as white light. This white light is made up of all the colors of the rainbow, which is why the sun appears white to our eyes when we view it outside of the Earth's atmosphere. But why does the sun appear to change color throughout the day? It's all about the angle of the sun and the amount of atmosphere the light has to travel through. During sunrise and sunset, the light has to travel through more of the atmosphere, which scatters the shorter wavelengths of light, like blue and violet, more than the longer wavelengths, like red and orange. This is why the sun often appears more orange or red during these times. So while the sun may appear yellow to our eyes, it's actually white. Scientific studies and experiments have confirmed this, and it's an important fact to understand in the context of astronomy. In conclusion, the sun appears yellow due to the Earth's atmosphere, but its true color is white. This might change the way you think about our star, and it's a great reminder of how our perception can sometimes be different from reality. So, what do you think about the sun's color? Do you have any thoughts on this topic? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about the science of colors in nature, be sure to check out my related video.